Hey guys, welcome back. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Got some blue skies, just a little bit of cloud cover. It's very still. Found a great spot to have a proper fire today because I'm cooking on the big cast iron pan, which I like to have a big bed of coals for that. I'm excited about today's menu. We're going to have some green beans, mushrooms, garlic and onion with some bell pepper, and with that, some marinated lamb. So let's get things set up here for the day. I'm hungry. So I picked this up at a flea market. It's a little leather seat. It says Sri Lanka on it. Came with its own wooden sticks and things, but I thought I would just make my own out here rather than having to carry them. So got a different seat today. That should work pretty good. Not too bad. All right, guys. Got my table. Got a seat. Before I get the firewood gathered up, like usual tradition, it's coffee time. That's pretty nice. The sun's shining through the trees there. For today's fire starter, we got this funny little thing. It's like a little box of French fries with a wick in it. Buddy gave it to me. He knows I like to go out and do these YouTube videos and make fires in the woods, and I thought, I want to go with this today just for fun. I have no idea how it's going to burn. I'm assuming it burned right down that wick just fine. I'll show you how it starts off here. Well, I'm hoping that'll stay lit and get the job done here. I was a little skeptical because of how tightly packed all those little pieces of wood are in the French fry box, but it looks like it's gonna go. Alright, let's see how that does, huh? Looks like it's gonna go just fine. Looking good. Alright, fire's still going hot. Gotta wait a little bit. Gonna get the beans on first. They need a little bit more time to cook. Let's throw the bell peppers in right away too. They also can cook long. The last few episodes I had the firebox out. It's nice to have a real fire again. Well, that should be heating up pretty fast. Alright, onions, garlic, and mushrooms. Looking pretty good. So, see if I can show you guys these, get this in the focus. Here's my little pieces of lamb. Small chunks on little spikes. Should cook pretty quick. That looks tasty. Looks good, guys. Beans and mushrooms. All right, we're ready to eat. Well, guys, that looks delicious. Let's eat. Enjoy. Well, this turned out pretty great, guys. Got a table today, got a chair. In case you're wondering, I didn't forget a fork today. I thought I could just eat it with my little wooden spatula, so. Oh, that lamb is delicious. It's marinated with like herbs and garlic. Beautiful day. Let's give one of these peppers a try. Really good. Just the whole pepper right on the pan. Very, very sweet. A little bit of caramelized skin. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, check out my other videos. I do a video once a week. Thanks to all the new subscribers. And it helps me out a lot when you like and subscribe. Click the notification bell. We'll see you guys again next week. Till then, take care.